in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's go to System Navigation, so the second option. And here, let's pretend I've got the 3 key navigation set. So before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to draw attention to those options because we can enter the settings and we can reorder the back button and the recents. So it's totally up to you, and we can of course tap on more, and here we've got the navigation dock. Alright, so in order to set the gestures, simply tap on this option at the top, and instead of the 3 buttons we will have the line or a clean screen, which is responsible for some gestures. If you'd like to, you can go through the tutorial, but I don't want to do it. What is more, I'll show you how to use the gestures in a second. So as you can see, we do not have a line, but that's okay. We can enter the settings here, and here we can show navigation bar, so it's totally up to you whether you want to use this line or not. You can also customize the options, so you can slide across bottom to switch apps and manage Google Assistant, and again try out gestures. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You have to do it quickly, because if you will elongate this gesture, you will open the sidebar. That's not what we wanted to do. So just swipe your finger and release it. And as you can see, we just got back. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture. So from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here. So elongate it. Something like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.